Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Alissa Capron and I post new cleaning videos every Tuesday. Today's video is a clean with me after dark, and as you probably saw in those before clips, it is just starting to get dark out. It was about 8:30 p.m. when I started making this cleaning video, and I live in Iowa, and in the summers the sun doesn't set for a long time. The sun set around 8:45 on this night. And you'll see the sun going down as I clean my kitchen, and then by the time I get to my living room it will be fully dark outside. So I'm just starting by clearing everything off of the countertops in my kitchen so that I can wipe everything down and also do the dishes. I wanted to take a second to say thank you to you guys because my last video got a ton of love, so I wanted to thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and a big thank you also to all of my subscribers. And here's me trying to write thank you, and the U ended up like a W, but it's okay. So thank you guys, and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you go do that. And then if you want to be notified whenever I post, hit the bell icon and then select all. Because I wrote thank you, I ended up using way too much cleaner, but I hope this is at least satisfying watching me rub it around and then watching me wipe it down. These bananas were starting to go bad and there was just no way we were going to eat them all, so I decided to freeze some. And if you do freeze your bananas, make sure that you take off the peels. I learned that the hard way because after they're frozen, it's like almost impossible to peel them unless they thaw all the way. I don't know. So I'm just peeling them, putting them in a Ziploc, and then I'll place those in the freezer. Now I'm moving on to the dishes, and I started to rinse out the rag that I used to clean the stove, but since it had so much excess cleaner on it, I stopped and decided I was going to use that to clean out my sink after I did the dishes, so I just left it there, and now I'm going to start on my dishes with my new favorite dish soap. It's the peony one from Mrs. Meyer's. I love spraying down and wiping off all of the excess water and soap around the sink. I think it's so satisfying and it makes everything look so much nicer. If you are wondering why my counter is full of cucumbers and zucchinis, it's because we have a pretty large garden, and just recently the zucchinis and cucumbers have been ready to be picked, so this is where they all are staying for right now. Send me any links to recipes you have for zucchinis and cucumbers because I don't know how we're even going to eat all of them. Our garden also has tomatoes. Those aren't quite ready yet, but when they are, you'll soon see my countertops also full of tomatoes. Now that the kitchen is done, I'm moving on to my living room, and I bet no one has noticed, but I just picked up a pair of socks on my living room floor, and there's almost always a pair of socks because when I work out in my living room, I take my socks off because at one point I was wearing my socks and then I noticed that they started to get worn out and they all looked like they were about to get holes in them, so I had to start taking my socks off for my workouts. So I have never shown you guys this, but these stairs that you're seeing right now actually lead up to another room, and I don't clean that room and I don't show you guys that room because it is basically my boyfriend's office space and there is papers everywhere, but he knows exactly where everything is, so I can't touch anything, so I can't clean it. But we are working on getting a filing system put together, so hopefully one day I will get to clean it for you guys and show you. But what's up there is a bed, my boyfriend's clothes, there's like a closet system up there, and then his desk and all of his work stuff. Now I'm moving on to the bathroom, and I was actually kind of excited to clean the bathroom today because you can see there on the left on the countertop I got a new toilet brush and some different toilet bowl cleaner because I think I told you guys I didn't really like the one I was using before because it was clear, but this one comes out blue and so I really like it. And I was excited about this toilet brush because my mom actually got it from Grove and she said it was awesome. And we have 2 bathrooms but had only 1 toilet brush, so I figured I would give it a try, and I did end up really liking it. In my previous video, I told you guys I was going to go back to using Clorox wipes to clean my toilet. These are not Clorox wipes, but they are disinfecting wipes that worked great, and I'm doing this because whenever I would get overspray from spraying the antibacterial spray onto the toilet, some would get on the floor and it would end up kind of sticky, so that's why I'm changing back to antibacterial wipes just for now. Now, lastly, I'm moving into the bedroom, so I'm making the bed and the blankets are really messed up, but I am really just making the bed for your viewing satisfaction because it is nighttime and I am about to go to bed. So I'm just gonna make it and make it look nice just for you guys. Now I'm just gonna put away all of these clothes that are on top of my dresser. So thank you guys so much for watching this video, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next week.